Hello and welcome to you all. So in this video we are going to see the internal transfer in Odoo version 18. So as we all know that the internal transfer boolean from account payment model has been removed by Odoo in Odoo version 18. As well as we have now the options to select whether we need outstanding accounts or not. So let's see how we can do internal transfer in Odoo 18. So I'm clicking on accounting module. If I'm going to customer payment and click on new button, so we can see here we have no internal transfer boolean inside the payment. So now how we can do the internal transfer? So for Odoo version 18, Odoo provides us a reconciliation model for internal transfer. So for that, let's go to the configuration, reconciliation model. So we can see here the internal transfer model is available. So this is the reconciliation model which we can use doing an internal transfer, and this reconciliation model use the counterpart account which is liquidity transfer. So now in Odoo version 18 the internal transfer is very easy. We just need to move our transfer balance from our one journal to liquidity and liquidity to another journal. So let's see how we can do internal transfer. So for this demo purpose I am going to transfer 50,000 from my bank journal to cash journal. So for that we need to create one transaction, a new, on a current date, and I'm transferring 50,000 from my bank to cash. So I'm creating one transfer transaction entry and just save. So we have now the transfer of 50,000 and we just need to select this internal transfer button. So Odoo use the liquidity transfer account. So liquidity transfer is debited through our bank, which is credited. So we are transferring our 50,000 from our bank to liquidity transfer and just validate. So we can see our bank balance is now 35,000. Now let's create one transaction entry in cash account for receiving the 50,000. Transfer from bank. I'm adding a positive 50,000 and just close. So we have the entry 50,000, and for same we can use liquidity transfer from our bank and just validate. So we can see here our cash has the balance 50,000 and our bank which has the 35,000. Likewise we can instantly create our internal transfer from any of our bank or cash statements. So Odoo give us the functionality to directly transfer the amount from our any of the journal to liquidity, and through liquidity to the destination journal. So I hope guys you are understanding the internal transfer in version 18. If you like these features and you like this video, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.